Okay, so let's have a look at the practice question of this module. Now we need to convert this geometry into a simple block with any name, and you need to use the lower left corner of this geometry as the base point. Now after making this into a block, insert one of its instances or references in the drawing area and then modify this and include a circle of radius 2 unit at the intersection point of vertical and horizontal line, which is at the center of this geometry. Now the length of this rectangle is 10 unit and the height is 16 unit. So here we have this geometry, and you can make this geometry using simple line, polyline, rectangle and different kind of tools. Once this geometry is made, go to this create block option and now give this a name. So I'll name it as test block, and now click on pick point and select this lower left corner as the pick point. Now make sure convert to block is selected and click on select objects and select all of these objects. Now make sure allow exploding is checked and also open in block editor is unchecked and click on OK. So there we have it. We have this block here. Now let's insert an instance of this block. For that I'll go to insert, click on test block and I'll insert it. Okay, so now we need to modify this, and in order to modify this simply select it, then right click and select block editor. And here we need to enter a circle at this point. So I'll go to home, go to circle, click on this intersection point and make a circle with radius 2 unit and press enter. Now there we have it. Let's close the block editor and save the changes. And there we have the final geometry as per our practice question.